Good morning, everyone. This is Leah in Wisconsin. So, guys, today, as it started yesterday, we have a very bad snowstorm. Today is March 16, 2026, and supposed to be my interview today in Aspirus Hospital. I applied a job there. Supposed to be it's my interview today, but the problem is this. Oh my god, it's so cold. It's blowing in my face. We cannot get out here. The car was buried. My husband tried to shovel the snow. He did this morning, but the problem is over there. You see the driveway? That is pretty deep there. If you see the fence of our garden, it's almost half of the fence is buried in snow. That is pretty deep snow. So we cannot go out. There's no plow truck coming to plow the snow. So we cannot get out. Here we are stuck. So I contacted the HR for my interview. I told her we cannot go out today because we are stuck here. Look at that. If you see that snow, that is pretty deep. The car was buried and we are stuck here. We cannot go anywhere unless there's a plow truck coming and would clear the driveway over there, going to the main road over there. So that's what's happening today, and it's still snowing right now. Still snowing. So we don't know what to do. My husband is going to work tonight, and we are not sure if he can get out unless rescue is coming. Where are you hiding? Come here. I told my husband I'm gonna make a video outside. Ooh.
Come out wearing yours.
Huh?
Why aren't you wearing yours?
I forgot it's in the room. So look at that, guys. That's pretty deep. I think it's the snow is like if you step on it, it's until the knees, kutob sa tuhod or more, especially down there. There is pretty deep. So maybe we have more than 10 inches of snow. Maybe 15 or 16. I'm not sure. It depends. I'm gonna go get it. Let's go. Bye bye.